Good morning, class. Standard 10 Physical Education. Today I'm going to start Chapter A, Section A, Health and Hygiene. In that, Physical Fitness chapter. What is the physical fitness? What is a component of the physical fitness? So, last year we learned, and first 2 years we were learning that. Once again, I want to give you the revision to recollect the old one. So, what is the physical component of the physical fitness? Let's see. Components like accuracy, balance, agility, coordination, speed, power, flexibility, strength, stamina, cardiovascular, respiratory endurance, importance and meanings. So these are things come to physical fitness. Now accuracy, ability to control movement in a given directions. That means what are the coach what he is telling, come and go this side to control your body. So that is ability to control. Next, balance, ability to keep on upright posture while standing still or moving. Agility also important parts. Ability to change direction quickly while the body is in the motion. Coordinations enables individual to do various activities properly and efficiently. Speed, ability to perform a task in a less time as compared to others. Power, this is also important. Power, if you don't have power, you won't pull up anything. Ability to perform one maximum effort in a short period of time. Now, flexibility is also important. A range of motion possible for each of the joints or group of joints. Strength, amount of force which muscles can exert against resistance for short durations. Stamina, that is, when you need stamina, you want to go run 10 kilometer, 5 kilometer, they will make stamina the further you can do your activities. Deals with the sustained muscular contractions lasting less than 90 seconds. Now, cardiovascular respiratory endurance, this is important, most important. When you're doing physical fitness, you will need these things. A circulatory system efficiency to provide oxygen rich blood to the working muscles during activities longer than 90 seconds. It should go longer than 1 hour, 2 hour exercise. That the oxygen should pass through your lungs and heart and brain. So we will go in detail. What you call this physical chapter 4. Civic say chapter 4, physical fitness. So let me explain to you physical fitness. The meaning of physical fitness, it is used in the context of two meanings. General fitness, that means the state of health and well-being, it is a physical fitness. And specific fitness, the ability to perform specific sports and occupational skills. It is called physical fitness. Fitness can be further subdivided into five categories: cardiovascular, endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and body compositions. The criterion for physical fitness also been expanded by to include the capacity to meet physical demands in an emergency situations. What you're doing, direct involvement. When the body is permitting, you can do. Somebody's fallen in swimming pool or river or sea. You going to rescue means you need a strength and willpower. Otherwise, you cannot jump without knowing you don't know swimming. How can you jump? In that manner, there is a lot of thinking is there. Next, physical fitness is the capacity of the heart, blood vessels, lungs, and muscles to function at optimum efficiency. It is the body ability to function efficiently and effectively in the work and leisure activities, not only at a set point of time, but at a various ages and stages. Within the personal life cycle, the key is in finding optimum health within the limits of one's lifestyle in order to able to resist hypokinetic disease. Important of the physical fitness. What is important? Overall health, boost energy, weight reduction, strong build, mental strength, and personality development. These are the physical fitness. The first will say overall health. A regular fitness regime helps in improving the overall health of an individual. A brisk walks for half an hour and free hand exercise can one fit. It enhances blood circulation and improves immunity as well as. Nowadays, you need a immunity. If people are sitting at home, nothing, no doing exercise, you do simply standing free exercise and do right and left, shaking your leg and shaking your hands and shaking your head, shaking your bodies. So that improve your immunity. This is a COVID-19 situation is going worse and worse. So better you stay at home, and we can do at home also. You can exercise standing and do your exercise, raising hands, closing hands on top, and jumping, side jumps. So many things are there. You can do at home. Now boost energy. After working out or after the session of yoga, one shall feel rejuvenated and energized throughout the day. Contrary to this, if one's lifestyle is sedentary means luxury life, and lethargic, the individual will feel tired and sluggish the entire day. If you like, I don't want to do anything. If you are living a lavish life, luxury life, then you don't feel do the exercise. You sit at home, eat and sleep. That laziness will comes. Now weight reductions. This is the main advantage of being fit. Working out regularly is one of the natural weight loss methods. One can burn extra calories. The individual will also remain in shape. Therefore, weight reduction is one of the important benefits of the physical fitness. So everybody is going to gym. Why they are walking? Because they want to body fit. Why the sportsman going for gym and doing the weight training? They want to fit their self. That's the physical fitness also important in your life. A strong build. No bodybuilder is there. They are doing the only bodybuilding. But regular physical fitness, we need a normal exercise, not like a bodybuilder. They are burning 1,000 calories per day, and eating also. They are eating all type of uh, uh, proteins and calories, carbohydrates. So normal people don't need that much. So staying fit with the regular workouts and muscle building makes a bone strong. People suffering from backache, shoulder pain, etc., must exercise regularly. Those having back pain and shoulder pain, they have to do exercise regularly. The mental strength, this is also important. The fit body is not only physically strong but mentally strong as well. As a combined routine including proper exercise and diet have a positive effect on brain function. It elevates the flow of blood to the brain and enhances one's memory. It also keeps one mentally strong. When you are mentally strong, you are able to do physical strong. Normally, I already told you, the healthy body in a sound, the sound mind in a healthy body. If you have a healthy body, you will have sound mind. If you have sound mind, you will have healthy body. That is the motto. Now, personality development. Staying fit makes one look good. The more one indulge into healthy habits, the more overall looks improve. This increases confidence level and grooms personality. One feels fresh and rejuvenated throughout the day. The mood remains happy and optimistic, optimistic too. So you will be fresh, very enjoyable mood. We can have when you do exercise, you will feel after taking bath. Your throughout day we can have energy to your work, day to day work. So this is the physical fitness is important everywhere. Morning walk, health center, morning yoga, and you can do in the house. Not necessary you'll go out in the open field to the exercise. You can do it at your home also. Sitting there, just put on bed sheet, lie down and to shake your legs and hands and body. Whatever you do, before do exercise, you have to warm up yourself. If you want to more professional, you want to more stamina on your body, you have to walk on the 3 to 4 kilometer, 3 to 5 kilometer every day. You have to burn your calories. You are taking 1 kg chicken yesterday night, and tomorrow, today you will take another 1 kg. Then your calories increase. Your fat items increase in your body. How are you going to burn? So, after having that, go for walking, do yoga, and shake your hands. So that is a physical fitness in your own hand. You can do it. No trainer required. So you can have your own fitness. Right? So on this basis, I will give the questions, find out, and give the answer. Good morning, class. Stay safe. Stay home.